tutorial when you order only the floating frame, how to fit in the artwork, okay, in the floating frame. So you're going to get a small bag. In the small bags, you're going to have the screws that you attach the artwork to the floating frame. You're going to have the wire and some small D-rings for the hanging system. And you have those cushions at the back that you can glue it into the frame, not to scratch the wall. So here is Alex. Alex will help us. You order it online. So you order it and you put the size of the canvas. We calculate the gap. You're going to get spacers as well with your order. Alex is now positioning now the 5mm gap. And you can actually see where now to drill. Very simple, very easy to use. So everything will take over here a few minutes. It's already pre-drilled. So there was already a hole. Alex is holding, with the height, okay, from the back as well. And Alex is going to drill slowly, slowly, not too strong, because you don't want to crack the Tassie oak. So over here, you make sure it is leveled. And that's it. Don't go crazy. Just go smooth in, and it's leveled over here. Now we go to the other one. This is the last one. So guys, it took roughly 2 minutes, okay? And now Alex is going to put the hanging system. I advise you to take a towel. Now we have here a small carpet. You can take a towel in your house and just put a towel over here, and then you face the artwork on the towel, okay? So let's face it. Do not do it only on a table. You don't want to scratch your table. You don't want to scratch your floor. Just take a small blanket. Now we are going to do the hanging system. So we're having those two D-rings. You can adjust it to do horizontal or vertical D-rings, and you have small screws. You can measure it, 15 centimeter or 20 centimeter. You can see a small pen over here, okay? And we are going now to put it in, okay? Put it in. And very easy and very simple. Once you do it a few times, you will be very confident. The last step is to put those cushion over here, and you can put it here. It's adhesive, so you just remove it from here and you glue it, as you can see over here. Can we show, please, everyone, the artwork? Leveled 5mm all around. Voila, amazing, looks good. Give it a go. Thank you. Have a good one.
If you don't have a cool drill with a cool magnet like Fantastic Framing, don't worry. This works too.